How to install your sleep sensor. Here's how to install the sleep sensor and home automation pad. The first thing you need is the free HealthMate app available for iOS and Android. You can easily download it from the App Store or Play Store. If you don't have a HealthMate account, you can create it when you open the app. To install Sleep, open the HealthMate app and go to Devices. At the bottom of the list, select Install Device, or just use the plus sign on the top right-hand side of the Devices menu, and scroll to Sleep to select it. Tap Install. The app prompts you to place the sensor under the mattress, where your chest will be. When done, tap Next in the application. You can now plug Sleep into your power outlet using the included adapter. Once connected, in the app, tap Next, and then Pair. The sensor needs to pair in Bluetooth with your smartphone, but after that, the sensor will communicate via Wi-Fi. Now, to get sleep data delivered to your app, you need to pair it with your Wi-Fi. Select Quick Setup to use the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile device. If you prefer to use a different one, tap Set up another network. Tap Next. Now the calibration of the sleep sensor begins, and it can take up to 10 minutes. You will be able to hear the sensor emit a slight buzz while it inflates. Do not sit on the bed during the process. You'll receive a notification in the timeline of the HealthMate app when the calibration is complete. When the calibration ends, a tutorial will help you understand your sleep data. Tap the arrow on the upper left-hand side of the screen. You should be all set, but if you still need help, please contact our support team at health.nokia.com/support.